Good morning everybody. So today will probably be my final video of the journey of Aurora, the dressing table and mirror set. The progress so far has been to lightly rub down the surface of the furniture prior to priming, and then coating with a kind of light grey chalk paint. We then had a vote online for the design that I was going to put on the side of the furniture. A unanimous decision was made, so I went with that. That's now been placed on the furniture. It's been put on and sealed, and the first two coats of lacquer have already gone on. So today I'm going to finish the process by lacquering the whole complete furniture. So this is what it looks like now. So we have the mirror base, and the mirror base has a little storage unit in. There's the top of the storage unit with the decorative clay mouldings, which have all been covered with a silver gilding paste and then sealed. And there you go, you can see the drawer fronts are also finished. The mirror, as you can see, that's done. And then we go to the actual dressing table. Round the side is the design. And then also inside the drawer is the same design. So today I'm just going to get going with giving it its final coat of lacquer. So for that, I'm going to use a Hemway lacquer in satin, which gives a really nice finish. When you first paint the lacquer on, it has a very kind of white, creamy effect. And it does need spreading out, because otherwise it will leave a slight white mark when it dries. As long as you spread it out, it will dry clear and leave a very nice satin finish on the furniture. So I'll start over here. Corners you need to make sure that when you do the corners or any edges that you thoroughly blend the lacquer in to the surface so that you don't leave any marks on the paint where the lacquer will pull. Okay, so I'm going to finish lacquering, and I will tag all of the photos of the finished product once it's dried on the end of this video, and then this piece of furniture will be up for sale. Thanks for watching.